What is up? It's your girl Samara. In this video, guys, I'm going to give you guys 3 different candlesticks that you can use in the market to execute your trades in the market, guys. These 3 candlesticks is my go-to simply because if I am just getting onto the chart and making an analysis based on the chart itself with no indicators, no strategies at all, this is what I use, guys. For real. So we're gonna get into this video, but first, you already know what to do. If you are new to my channel, you have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because what? It is free, F-R-E-E, okay? Point blank, period. But if you are part of the family, you already know what to do. You just have to keep on watching. So let's get into it.
What's up?
Hey, yo, Rand, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
All right, guys. So today's video, guys, I'm just going to go over the top 3 candlesticks pairs that you guys can get into the market with. All right. So anytime that you guys identify these top 3 candlestick pairs that I like to go into, especially if I don't have a resistant or a support line and I'm just trying to make a market execution, guys. So a market execution means that you're literally going in at that price line right there and right now, ASAP. All right. So this is not a buy stop. This is not a sell stop. This is not a buy limit. This is not a sell limit. All right. This is a market execution naked indicator. Okay, this is naked trading. That means I have no indicators. That means I have no strategies. This is literally what I see in the market, what type of structure of the candles are forming. I see it, bam. All right, I'm going in for either a buy or a sell. All right. So if you haven't already, I suggest you all to get this amazing book. It's literally a Bible for trading. Like if you do not have this, I suggest you getting it. Now, for my students who have purchased my course already, I have added this bad boy into the course as a bonus, okay? And so if you have it, I suggest you to print it out so you can see it every day instead of having to do it on your computer. It's easier to see it right there and then. All right. So we're going to go into it. Okay. All right. So guys, one of the candles that I always look for is the engulfing bearish bar. The engulfing bearish bar, meaning bear means sell, bull means buy. Okay. So if you don't know those terms, those terminology in the Forex market, I need you to know that. Okay. So anytime it says bear, that means it's a sale. Anytime it says bull, that means it's a buy. So what you're looking for is a smaller body candle. As you guys can see, this is what it's meaning, a smaller body candle. And then you're looking for a closed bottom part. You're looking for a closed bottom, a flat bottom, right? But an open candle at the top. So you have your wick going on. All right. So you're looking for your smaller body candle, and then you're looking for your second flat bottom, guys. And of course, it's going to be open. Okay. So here's a demonstration on what that would look like. So we have our candles going right, and then bam, we have our smaller candle, and then we have our flat bottom going into our opening candle at the top. All right. So it's almost like a birthday candle. All right. You always put your candle down with the flat bottom, right? And then of course you're going to fire the wick. Okay. So that's an open candle. So think of it in that instance. So therefore, when that happens, what happens when you blow out your candles, right? It goes down. All right. The candle's going to eventually melt down. So that's basically what trading is, especially with candles, guys. I really love the idea of candles. So when you see this type of bearish engulfing bar, you know that the market is about to go into a sale, because what did it exactly do? It went down. Literally. And I'm going to show you guys another example when we get into the trading view platform so you guys can see it a much clearer way. All right. So that's one. We're looking for the bearish engulfing bar candle. And these are simply the easiest candles to look for in the market, all right? Next thing, the second one, guys, the second one is we're looking for the bullish engulfing bar, the bullish engulfing bar. So we found the bearish engulfing bar. Now we're going for the bullish engulfing bar. So you have your smaller body, right? And then again, you're going to have your flat bottom, right? And then you're going to have your closing price, okay? So with that being said, guys, literally, with that being said, you're going to have this, most likely is going to be a sale. This smaller candle is going to be a sale. But when you start seeing your flat bottom, right? Because typically your flat bottom is going to be at the sale zone. This is more at your support level, right? When that happens and you see this closing price is going to be more so closing, okay? So with that being said, you're going to go up. Okay, so the market is going to go up. All right, so again, you're looking for your bullish engulfing bar. Of course, you're going to have your smaller body. It's going to be a smaller body, right? Okay, and with that being said, you're going to have your opening price here and your closing price here. Okay, so with that being said, you have to remember, when you are trading, guys, the market, when you're going for a buy, you go from the lowest point, meaning that's your support level. When you're going for a sell, that's meaning that it is at its resistant level. All right. So when you're going for a buy in this instance right here, guys, this is looking like it was already going for a downtrend, correct? And then we have our smaller candle here, and then we have our basically our opening price right here. Our opening price is stating that basically our wick is a little bit more longer. Okay, when it's a closing price, your closing price meaning is that you either have a flat top, a flat bottom, or just a teeny tiny bit wick. Okay, so if you can see that, that is basically our closing price. All right, so with that being said, when you see something in similarity of this, you know, for instance, that we are going into a bull market. All right, so what did it do? It instantly went up, right? So just to go back into the bearish engulfing bar, just to make sure that you guys are aware, because you may say, okay, Samara, this is the opening, this is a closing, etc. I don't want you guys to get confused with the opening price and the closing price, okay? Anytime you start to see a longer wick, that is saying that that candle there, that is a open price, all right? But anytime that you see a flat bottom, or a smaller wick, you could barely see that wick, that means at that price line is closed off. That means it's closing price, all right? So with that being said, I've taught you guys many different strategies on this platform. The Heiken Ashi, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but y'all know what I'm saying, all right? We get to the point, all right? The Heiken Ashi strategies that I have provided you guys here on this platform of YouTube, I simply showed you how to trade with the Heiken Ashi. So don't get it confused with the candlestick. Candlestick and the Heiken Ashi is two different strategies, all right? There are two different structures that you can use in the market to make your profits. So don't get it confused with, oh my gosh, it's a flat bottom, I go in for a buy, or if it's a flat top, I go in for a sell, because you're referring to the Heiken Ashi, not the candlestick. The candlestick is going to be opposite, all right? The candlestick, you're going based off the trends and off of the support and resistance of the market with candlesticks. So do not get it confused, all right, guys? So I just wanted to verify that. The next one, the third one is my most favorite, guys. The third one is my most favorite. Me, I am a bullish type of girl. Okay, I can go in for the bearish movement, but sometimes I just like to ride it up to the sky, okay? Because I just like the bulls, all right? So with that being said, I like the morning star. The morning star candlestick pair is basically having your bearish candles as the first candle, Then you can have either or. You can have either a smaller bullish or bearish candle. And then after that small candle forms, then we go ahead with our bullish candle. So you basically have two candles before you have that bullish or bearish trend saying that I'm about to just instantly go up. So anytime that you see the market about to execute in a different trend, you're going for that trend. Never, never, guys, never, never go against the trend, because either you are a day trader or either you are somebody who is having a lots of money in their account to hold back that draw back, because if you're trading indices, you do not want to go against the trend. You want to trade with the trend, okay? So anytime that you see a morning star position, go ahead and market execute that trade so you can get your profits and dip, all right? So with that being said, with the morning star, you literally have your bearish candle, then you have a smaller candle, and it could be either or. So don't get freaked out and say, oh, well, it's a smaller blue candle, then it's not going to go in a buy. No, it can be either or, because that third candle is going to justify that it is a bullish candle and it's going for an uptrend. As you guys can see right here, what did it do? It went for a downtrend, right? Then we have our bearish candle going on. Then we have our small bullish candle right here. And what did it do? It instantly shot up for a buy. Now it's in the bull market. All right. So these are the top three candles that you should be looking for in the market, especially if you are a trader who just simply do not like strategies or indicators. You just simply like to do just naked trading. So it is perfectly fine to go into the market with naked trading, but be sure to have a stop loss or a take profit just to make sure you are not losing or overdrawing your account. All right. So, all right, guys, we're here on the platform of TradingView, and I am going to simply go into US 30. US 30 is my baby, as you guys should know. Indices is the way to go. Indices is the way to go, but you have to understand how to trade indices, all right? And I have placed a video on this channel for you guys to get that strategy on how to trade US 30, all right? So you guys can choose whichever. I always choose the first one because it really doesn't matter. It's just going based off the broker, all right? So right now, I need to clear all of this. Well, actually, I'm not going to clear it just simply because I want you guys to kind of see what's going on. So I kind of have my support, my resistance. This is now my support. This is my resistance. This is now my support. This is now my resistance. All right. We're on the 15-minute chart, but we are also on the candlesticks, right? So I'm going to go back in the future. I'm going to go back in I'm gonna go back in the past, guys. All right, don't mind me. So I'm gonna go back in the past. All right, I wish I could go in the future. I think every trader will want that capability of knowing what's in hold for the future of the market, so you can already know what to do and make that money, right? And go big. That would be awesome, but we don't have that power. We don't have that capability. So hey, we just gotta go with what's going on. All right. All right, so I'm going to go in the past, right? And we're going to look for our, what is it? Either bullish engulfing bar, either our bearish engulfing bar, or our morning star, all right? The evening star, guys, that's another one. So I guess that's just the bonus one, top 4, all right? The evening star is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be a bullish candle for your first one, either a bearish or a small bull candle, and then it's going to be your bearish candle, all right? And then that's basically what an evening star is. A morning star is where you're shooting up, an evening star is where you're shooting down, all right? So with that being said, I've already found what we are looking for, all right? I've already found what we're looking for. So we have found our bullish engulfing. We have found our bearish engulfing candle. All right. So I'm just here. I'm not even looking at the indicators. Don't even look at this, right? I just looked at this, right? I'm looking at this, right, guys? And I instantly find a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. And another way that you can identify is that when you see this small bullish candle right here, guys, you can see that this candle right here basically empowered it, literally ate this bull candle up, indicating that it is about to go for a sell. All right. So that's another way to identify that the market is about to change, because it literally tore this thing up, right? And that's what it did. Because what did it do? It literally went into a sale. All right. It's going into a sale. And this would have been amazing, because where it stopped at was 35. Let's say we put the price line at 35,378 for our take profit. So let's identify how many pips that is. That's about 194 points. Okay. That's dealing with US 30. All right. US 30. Okay. If you are trading in the Henkel trade market, if you're using 10 cents, you're literally making 10 cents per pip, right? But if you are using another platform, another broker, that is basically a lot more than just 10 cents, right? But if you are a beginner trader, I advise you to go ahead and create a Henkel trade, simply because you can understand how fast the market of US 30 is, and you can see if this is something that you like to trade. All right. So I always advise anyone who is a beginner trader to have multiple brokers, but have Henkel Trader as one of your brokers, so you can really trade and understand the market of indices. So you can pick and choose which index pair that you really like to trade, right? So we have found our bearish engulfing bar candle. That already showed us here, guys. So let me go ahead. All right. So I just wanted to put that this was our bearish engulfing, just so you guys can know. This was our bearish engulfing right here, and that's what it did. So now we're about to find our bullish engulfing, okay? So we're going to go into the future a little bit. We're going to go into the future, right? We're going to go into the future. All right. So I have found one, guys. This is our bearish. This is our bullish engulfing, okay? So I'm going to put a text right here. Put it right here so you guys can see it. What did it do? So we have our bullish engulfing, meaning that we're about to go into a up market, right? So with that being said, we have our smaller candle, right? And then we have our bullish candle here. It's literally engulfing this previous candle. All right. So what did it end up doing? Is it literally went up, right? It went up. Of course, the market is not going to instantly, and that's another thing, guys. The market is not going to instantly just shoot up constantly without a drawdown. So you have to be aware of that. If you don't understand that that will happen in the market, you need to understand that that will happen in the market. So this bullish engulfing went up and it shot up. But wait, guys, wait. Wow. It looks like we just came across a morning star. We came across a morning star. So literally we have our long bearish candle, then we have our smaller bearish candle, or it could be a bull candle. Then we have our long buy candle. And what did it do? Guys, it literally kept shooting up. So even if you came in right here for that bullish engulfing, you still were winning, because it went into that morning star phase, and voila, we're up. Literally, we have found our bearish engulfing, our bullish engulfing, our morning star, and that is literally the technique of naked indicating on trading the market, guys, just by using the Candlestick Bible, right? The Candlestick Bible.
All right, guys, so that concludes this video. I tried to make this video as short as possible, but you know, I just gotta break it down for y'all because y'all are literally my students. Like, even though I don't see y'all get the gist. Y'all know I just gotta like, I'm just that teacher. Like, y'all put me in that teacher zone, like that teacher mood, you know what I'm saying? So I hope this video was very informative. I hope it was very easy for you to understand. If you haven't already, please like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, point blank, period. I'm serious. All right, we are almost close to 20K subscribers, guys. Thank you guys so much for getting me up to 15K. You guys are the bomb. Of course, when we get to 20K subscribers, there will be a good giveaway, okay, to help you and your trading account become, you know, a little rejuvenated, okay? Especially if you are blowing your accounts or whatever the case may be. You know I got you, especially if your name is drawn, all right? But guys, the Candlestick Bible that I referenced in this video is included in my course. Go ahead and go get the course, guys. The course is going to be in my description box. I just want to say thank you so far to all of my students who have signed up and who have sent me great messages, DMs, and everything to tell me their accomplishments and what they have been successful thus far in the market, guys. That truly makes me so happy. So continue to shine, continue to grow, continue to practice, and never give up, guys. Even when you make that loss, don't give up. So go ahead and go grab that course right now while it is $70, because after August, guys, the price will be ranging up to $90. Peace.